What's up, everybody? Being back again. Today, got this box of Panini Golden Age. What year is this? 2013. These popped up in my eBay feed for like 30 bucks shipped. That's about the right price point to me for something like this. 6 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. I'm just going to do this in one video. Might do a Friday night cards with this or something. Let's go ahead and check out our box topper. Another video for your butt. Shout out to the Pepino man. So this is one of the exhibits. This is Skipper Alan Hale from Gilligan's Island. Wow. Okay. Cool. Interesting. Rip for me. I guess that's cool, but yeah. I got Mel Ott. Bred for Energy, Jim Kick of the Dolphins. Got a Wyatt Earp Mini. Bob Hope. Gene Tunney. Johnny Carson. Here's Johnny. I guess that Bred for Energy was an insert. This is just random stuff. Football players and everything, I guess. Joe Wood. Bobby Fischer Grandmaster. Looks like a playing card. A dummy. You big dummy. Johnny Bench. Jim Thorpe. I can add that to my little bit of Thorpe collection I've been. Lyman Bostock. Outfield of Minnesota. I do not remember him. It seems like I've heard that name, but I can't place it. I've got a little collection of Jim Thorpe, just modern stuff. Tip Top, Brooks Robinson. I keep dropping the friggin' minis. Bad News Bears, David Staumbaugh, Abe Attell, Bob Greasy, Stan Lee. Maybe we'll get a cool hit that'll pay for the box. That's kind of what I was hoping for here. If not, it's a fun rip, I'm assuming. Fielding Yost. Sam McDowell. Another dummy. Frank Chance. Mini. I'll be keeping that in. Fred Merkle with his boner. Tracy Smothers. Earl Campbell. I should look up the story of Merkel's boner. Keith Olbermann explains it really well in the video. Just Google that or something. See why I said that. Pretty interesting story about old baseball there. Jim Bottomley. Sea Biscuit. I guess that's some type of insert. Tommy Smothers. Ralph Terry, River Ridge, Tatum O'Neal from the Bad News Bears. Is that an insert? I'm just going to leave it in the base pile here. I want this break to take forever because I've been getting texts. I don't want to pause so they can wait. Stan Hack for the Chicago. Ted Simmons. Matthew Stymie Beard, actor. Tommy Davis, Curly Neal, and Lou Brock. I don't know if these are parallels in these or what. I really don't know. I've never opened these that I don't think I ever got a blaster. It was some kind of product like this. I know I opened a blaster. Grace Kelly, Arnold Rothstein Gambler, Eva Plum actress, Eva Gabor actress, Branch Rickey Hall of Fame, and Jim Cook there again. This is the kind of stuff I would probably not buy when it come out new. Oh, we got a Stooges card. I saw there was a Three Stooges insert, so that's pretty cool. Affirmed 1978 Triple Crown winner mini, Joe Tinker for the Chicago Cubs. Tommy John, Chicago. He must have pitched for the White Sox. Jimmy Carter. Ed Roush, Buck Leonard, Hall of Fame, one of the bread cards, and Brooklyn Gil Hodges. Alright, I'll get to you in a minute. Spanky, Bo Schlimbleckler, football coach, okay. I can see through light through these to tell where to cut, so that's one good thing. We're at 6 minutes, we're not doing too bad. Herbert Hoover. Oh, cool, Red Grange of the Bears. That's a pretty cool looking card. Gene Harlow, Bobby Richardson, Alexander Graham Bell, and Affirmed regular card. That pack feels different. We're going to open it. I ain't switching order around. Feels a little thick. I have a dummy. Norm Cash. Oh, sweet. Frank Chance. Insert there. Cool, cool. Another dummy. This one says Carolina Brights on the back. Jimmy Carter. Gerald Ford. Jan Stephenson. And Dale Murphy. Should be in the Hall of Fame, in my opinion. Right after Fred frickin' McGriff. Yes. I'm just kidding, guys. I do think they both deserve to be there. This Evel Knievel is white. Does that make it special? It's cool. Yeah, I'll get to you in a minute. George Brett Mini. Taft. Alkaline. Steve Stone. This is taking forever. This pack's thin. Back to a thin pack. Hey, the Fonz. There's Ellen Hale again. Barry Switzer, football coach. Flight 19 mystery Don Maynard. Mike Schmidt. This one feels thick. I'd rather get a hit than these dummies. A big dummy. Rocky Marciano. We could get a hit this time, boys and girls. Let's pull these around here. We'll do it. We'll do it. Sam McDowell. Minnie. Johnny Evers. Walter Cronkite. Bo Derek. Rocky Marciano, which we've seen. Honest Abe. And I get a Grace Kelly hit. Little piece of some kind of fabric there. So, yeah. Yeah. I don't know how many hits we get per box. I didn't read it. It is what it is. I don't know if I'll keep that, or I don't know if it's worth selling. I know she's famous. No, another dummy. Newt Rotney. Hull. Brett Hull headlines. Another dummy. Jim Thorpe mini. Cool. Where did I put Thorpe? I'll set it up there. Rudolph Valentino. Yeah, there's the regular Evel Knievel that's not white, so they must have white cards. Karen and Mickey Taylor. Okay. Sometimes the people and stuff they pick for cards just puzzles me. Be like, why? Mario Andretti, War Admiral. Unsinkable Molly Brown, Socialite, Penny Marshall, Matthew Stymie Beard, Bad News Beers. I haven't seen that movie in forever. I remember watching that when I was a kid. I probably shouldn't have been. Another thick pack. Wow, Al Lopez. Wow, I can't talk. Grantland Rice, sports writer. Another big dummy. Woodrow Wilson. Sham Thoroughbred. Bobby Hull. Aaron Blunt from the Bad News Bears. I can't help but say the Bears that way. Oh, there's Skipper again. Harmon Killebrew. What do them look like? They look like some old card. DeLongs, yeah. Steve Stone. Hi, I'm Buckwheat. Remember me? Warren Spahn. Pete Rose. God, Eddie Murphy doing that was so funny. Back in the day. Back when Saturday Night Live was funny. It's not funny now. It hasn't been for years. Wyatt Earp. Steve Cawthon Jockey. The Fonz Mini. Henry Ford. Yogi Berra. Ron Guidry. Why do I pull Ron Guidry a lot out of 80s stuff? He's following me. Some players follow you, I guess. You're ripping. War Admiral. Bill Terry, New York. Premium player cards. Red Grange. Mini. That guy. Jim Rice. Darrell Waltrip. Boogity Boogity. How are we on time? 12 minutes. That's not bad for a box break. Well, we got something with some different color. Barry Livingston, actor. Oh, we got an autograph from one of the Bad News Bears. Let's set that down. That's pretty cool. Ed Kranepool. We'll come back to that. Dave Bancroft, Bowie Kuhn, and Bigfoot. I guess this is our other hit. Ahmad Abdul Rahim. He played Aaron Blunt, or his name is Aaron Blunt, excuse me. It's an on-card auto. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Better than a sharp stick to the eye, I guess. Lou Boudreau, Woodrow Wilson. Lana Turner, Bobby Jones, Smoking Joe Frazier, George Brett. I'd say that's probably our hits. Gilligan, Bob Denver. Gene something jockey card. There's Joe Frazier on a mini. Joe Morgan. Walter Hagen and Keith Hernandez. And our last packet, Phil Stick, probably has a dummy. Unless we get another hit and get lucky. We got a Red Grange. Perfection. Fins finished 17-0. A headline card there, and I dropped another dummy. Seabiscuit. John Belushi. Another one of the Bad News Bears. And who do we get for a mini? Carl Eller. Defensive end from Minnesota. So there we go, guys. So let me get up off my stool. So we got the Aaron Blunt Bad News Bear autograph. And we got a Grace Kelly museum age little relic card. So not bad overall. Could have been better for us, but you get what you get. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.